Okay, don't mind how I look right now. I have like no makeup on. Anyways, I'm putting the new badges on my Genesis Coupe. Anyways, I have like no makeup on. Like, oh, I cannot look myself right now. But I put on the back badges already. It actually took so long to get it off. I think it took like, honestly, it took a lot longer than it should have took. I think it took like 3 days, but that was mostly just because of the glue. It's so thick underneath, and I did not have a heat gun, and I didn't use a glue jar either. So I just kind of let it sit with the Goo Gone spray on it in the sun, and then after a while I could get it off. But I realized that the fishing line method didn't really work great, so I ended up just getting an old ID and shoving it underneath, and then I eventually got it off. So then when I did the front one, I popped it off in like literally a couple minutes. Like, I keep dropping this shit on the ground, and I'm actually gonna like muck it all up, but I honestly think it looks a lot better like this without the Hyundai. I hate the Hyundai one. But if you're having trouble with it, try the ID thing, because I didn't see anybody else do that when I looked it up, and it was a lot easier. So yeah, now to put the new ones on. I'm also putting this underneath. This one doesn't have it, but I thought with just, since it's an Rspec and all of this, there'd be too much going on, and at the front it doesn't have anything, so I thought it needs a little extra, you know. I also have heard that this red glue isn't the best to use, and that there's actually a better one. I can't remember what it is, but yeah, I mean, I haven't really had any problems with it, but I only put them on like a couple days ago, and I haven't even put the one on the front on yet. So they're really not that hard to install. Like, they're literally just stickers. It's just taking them off. That's really annoying, and I didn't record that part because it was the most difficult, and I was just frustrated at that point. I'm like, I just need them off. I'm not gonna record this whole process. If I were to do it again, I probably still wouldn't record it. But technically, this isn't my first video, but then again, it kind of is. So yeah, let's put my badges on. I'm normal, I promise, even though I'm 20 years old posting on YouTube for like barely anybody to see it. Anyways, I honestly think that I'm gonna go grab some glue gun to get this stuff off, because it's a little bit more dirty than I thought it was. Bubbling. So, not a fan of that. Might have to redo this. As you can see, there's like bubbles. That wasn't like that before. So, that kind of sucks, but so I don't really have anywhere to put my phone to show cleaning it or putting it on. So I'm just gonna have to show it after it's already on. But it's pretty simple. I'm just kind of cleaning it and then sticking it on. So yeah, it's on. Looks pretty good. I really like it. It looks so way better than what it looked like before. But yeah, I actually did start peeling it inside, but then my phone died, and now I'm back out here just to show it off. So I guess that's it. I'm gonna go because my neighbors keep coming outside and I'm scared.